Hi, I'm Michael,
And Ray.
and we're going to open some
Cookie Run.
the version 1, version 3. I think
That's
version
the
3.
version 3.
So version 3.
Operation Time Guard.
Yeah, I think version 3 to.
Cost 2K, we spend heavy money here.
So ang pinakatanong is bubuksan ba o itatago
itatago ng
panghabang
habang
buhay?
Of course,
So,
we're gonna open it, right?
So meron siyang 30 packs per box. Meron siyang freebie. Yan,
Just
include
one.
long gun dragon promotional pack.
And there's like a Cookie Run game and you'll get 6,000 crystals.
Pero
I never hold it. Never
subukan
heard of
natin
it.
siya.
But we're not gonna open every card. We're gonna only open like 10.
Yeah, 10 at a time.
Yeah, 10
So,
at a time.
tara. Let's see and have a back battle.
We're gonna show the promo.
Tignan natin.
Why does it feels like I'm opening an ETB? But instead of a big one, it's
Kasi
small
dati,
one.
ganito lang ang presyo ng ETB. Minsan mas mura pa nga eh.
But now?
Ngayon, di na. Ang mahal-mahal na dahil sa hype. Okay, tingnan natin.
Ooh.
Let's see the promo. I think this is the promo. Okay. Okay, this is the coupon. Okay. This is the coupon. Siyempre, hindi natin papakita kasi gagamitin natin yan. Ito yung coupon
But we
code.
don't play Cookie Kingdom.
And this is the promotional
Are we gonna
not for
open
sale.
it?
Oh.
Huh?
Not for sale siya. So, for free talaga siya. So,
So we're gonna
okay.
open those.
Meron tayong 30 packs dito. Wala na. So, wala na. So, we have 30 packs. And we will open 10. So,
Could they be the one to count?
sige, open.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Okay na. That's your 5 pack. Ako naman.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, yan. We will have pack battle. Balik natin yung iba kasi sa ibang araw natin bubuksan. Balik natin yung promo card and the code card para sa game. And next time natin bubuksan itong iba. But for now, we have these cards. So, okay. Sino una?
Me first.
Alright.
It's like opening one piece because you open it like this. Doing the old-fashioned way because we get more pull. Because our pull rate is getting more better whenever we do that.
Oh, no.
That also happens when we open one piece.
Yan, para medyo malaki-laki ang
So,
sakop. So, these are my 5 packs. So, meron kaming
so we got rose cookie, rose or
meron
rose
kaming binder
cookie.
niyan.
Rose cookie, firecracker cookie, goblin cookie. I don't know there was a goblin cookie there. This doesn't look like a cookie at all. It looks like a
Hindi na. Parang gingerbread cookie kasi siya. So, parang gano'n.
it actually looks like a goblin more goblin more than a cookie. So we got profit cookie.
And
Woo!
oh!
Super rare to super rare.
Wow.
We see gummy cookie.
Okay, wait.
It does.
Siyempre, kailangan natin ng sleeves.
It's just like Pokemon. Look. It does 2 damage. Wait, it has 2 health and 2 damage. So if Cookie Run versus Pokemon, just get
Okay.
Mew. Just get Mew to beat
So,
this.
ito sa akin, my first pack.
Oh, it's level 1. Why is the sleeve so big?
Parang gusto ko maggunting na lang para mabilis. Oh, okay lang, sige.
Do you want to get a hit? Do it the
Oh,
old-fashioned
I
way.
saw something. I saw something. I saw something. Okay. Gumball cookie. Ninja cookie. Strawberry cookie. Stage, messy.
That's kinda
DB. So,
cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 per pack. And ang nakuha ko is, tada!
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh, super rares! That's better than mine!
Oh my god!
You're winning! You're winning!
We're winning.
No, it's a pack bottle.
Oh,
so
yeah.
technically
Wow.
winning.
Wow. Super SSR. Wow. Wait lang. Sige, nandun yung aming bunso. Sige lang. Hayaan mo lang. Okay, next. Ikaw na, Andre.
Wait, you're
Yeah.
you're more better.
Kaya nga, sige na. Okay, ikaw next.
And I also love the noodle.
Oh, sige.
Noodles.
Pwede ka naman dun eh. Dun magbukas eh. Ay, bebe. So, hindi pa kami marunong maglaro ng Cookie Rush.
Hey, I think this is kinda yummy. Cotton candy cookie.
Oh, red dito.
This is kinda yummy. TB is office clear
Yellow
cookie.
dyan.
Sandwich cookie.
Green dito.
He's holding a sandwich.
Green.
Gabi.
Last
Barbara
after niya, last.
And
Ooh!
oh, it's only a rare. It's only a
But
rare.
still,
Wait, now I'm winning, right?
2
Because
for 2. You have 2 for 2.
you have super rare. I got super rare and rare, so that means I'm winning.
2 for 2.
So am I winning?
Yeah, I don't
Nice.
know. No.
It's a
I don't
super
know.
rare and a rare, but
Oh,
you
yeah.
but
Okay,
yours are
anyway.
super rare.
Anyway, 2 for 2. Ako, sige, subukan natin. Kaya ko rin mag 2 for 2. And, nung nagbukas kami ng 10 ganito, yung first
The first
ginunting
time-
namin, wala.
And look, that's why I keep telling you, dude,
Alright.
eat the old person.
Okay,
way.
onion cookie,
Buttercream chocolate.
buttercream choco cookie.
It looks like an ice cream cookie.
Ooh,
purple
it's
yum
cool.
cookie.
This is cool. Purple yum. Last one on the list. After
Strawberry
this is, yeah. Oh, regular. Alright. Oh, 2 for 2.
I'm
1
winning.
for 2.
I'm winning.
Man.
But that's a super rare. But
Yeah.
mine's only super rare and rare.
So
I
it's
think I'm
just,
still winning,
I-
right?
I don't know. Let's see.
Because that's a super rare
I have
Mine's only
3
a super
packs.
rare.
I have 3 packs left.
and a rare.
Meron pa akong 3 pack.
And this is my
Pero
third one.
pangit pala setup ng ganito. Harans. Okay lang. Okay lang.
So I get pudding. Pudding plus cookie. Kinda good. Where's the red one? Pudding cookie. Roll cake cookie. Oh, I love this. Croissant cookie.
Hopefully makalaro kami.
I love
Matuto
croissant
kami paano
cookie. I
maglaro.
love croissant cookie. This
Pangalan yan? Pangatlo? Sige.
and
Last yan?
oh, I meant
Meron
isa.
pa isa. Sus, dito.
And hey, rare.
Oh, 3 for 3.
I'm winning.
I think so. I
Yeah.
think so. 3 for 3.
Yeah, I'm technically winning. I have 2 rares and 1 super rare, but yours are super rare.
Okay.
No, that is your spot. This is my spot, and I'm winning.
Okay.
I'm winning. Look,
Okay.
if I win, we're gonna make another video.
Okay, next. My turn.
2 for
Ang
2
hirap
for
buksan
3.
ng mga ganito. Unlike
2 for
Pokemon
3.
packs. But,
2 for 3. It's just like 1 piece.
oh, 3 for 3 ka.
Yeah,
ako
ikaw. 2 for 3 or not?
Firecracker cookie.
Another
Another
goblin.
goblin cookie. Last
Hey,
one on the list is
make
ginger.
icon.
And, oh, hey, it's ultra rare. Wow.
Wait.
It's still a good.
Could you give me the? I
Hey.
want to see what's better. Ultra rares are the best one. You're winning. Wait,
Wow.
now you're winning.
Wow. Ano, ilan ba ultra rare?
15.
Oh, 15 lang. Tapos super rare. Tapos rare. Ay, hindi. Mas, ano to, pinaka-high to. SSR to eh. Mas high to.
So are
High.
you winning?
I'm winning.
But
Because
I
of
got,
the ultra rare
but I
and
got
the
3.
SSR.
But I got 3.
Yeah, but this one is the ano eh.
But I
So
got
2 for
3.
3 and you're 3 for 3.
But I got 3.
Panalo, ano ka pa rin? Panalo ka pa rin kasi tatlo, 3 packs and you have 3 triples.
Sandwich.
Sakit ah.
A sandwich cookie. Where's the blue one? A blue? peach cookie. Where do you put the pink
Yellow.
one? Oh,
Yellow.
chili pepper.
Mm.
This one's very
Yeah,
spicy. Your mouth will burn if you
Sige.
eat it.
Okay, after that, the last card is... Oh,
Oh, come on.
alright. Ilagay mo dito.
I can't be losing.
So,
to
4
you.
out of 3. Ako, 2 out of 3.
But you're winning because of the super rare.
Tingnan natin to. Yan.
If I do if I do what I wonder what will happen to me.
Wala.
Because I got more hits than you. How are you winning? In hits I'm
Okay.
winning. But
I like this.
in
Coffee
rarity,
cookie.
in
Squid
rarity you're
ink.
winning.
Squid ink.
Not the shit. I think that's not a good one.
Pastel merengue cookie. Then
And
last
last.
is... Yeah! Oh! It's a rare. Alchemist cookie.
I need to get a super rare to win.
Now, di namin alam. We don't know if how's the pull rate or how many SSR, ultra rare and whatnot.
But the pull rate I think is kind of good, right? Oh, no sugar cookie.
Last pack of Andre.
Iron cookie robot.
How can you eat a cookie robot?
I don't know. Hey, it's a ghost cookie.
White ghost cookie. Di naman siya mukhang white.
It's kind of white. It's
The
not
hair
bad.
is white, but the...
What-
Anyway.
So after this,
Anyway.
so
Sige, yun.
and so
Zombie
zombie
cookie.
new.
Mm,
After this
okay.
one's the last one.
And...
Oh, super rare! Another super rare! Another super rare!
Wow.
I'm winning now.
4 out of 5. 4 of 5. Wow, nice.
I'm winning, right?
Galing.
It's another super rare.
Okay, last
Because-
pack magic.
Because there's one S and one S. Put the one S there, became super rare. So I'm winning.
What kind of logic is that? Okay,
Because look,
last pack, last pack.
super rare. S plus S equals super.
Okay, last
Put
pack
one
magic.
R becomes super rare. So
Chocolate bonbon cookie.
bonbon cookie.
Mustard cookie. Avocado cookie. Wow, cool. Orange cookie. Last but not the least is Oh.
So who's winning? Who do you think is winning?
4 out of 3. 3 out of 5. 4 out of 5. I think because I have the SSR and the ultra rare, I think I won.
No, look at this. S plus S equals super.
Huwag mo siya itong...
Put the
Diri naman oh, basa na oh.
put the R from the rare and it will become super rare.
Laway na eh. Ito kay Andre, secret rare.
That's a
Super rare pala. Mango cookie. Next is another
rare.
super rare. Twizzly gummy cookie. Then
Gummy
2
cookie.
rares. The bellflower cookie, which is a rare. Lilybell cookie, which is a rare. Then we have another alchemist cookie, which is a rare. Then the big guns, which is the ultra rare snake fruit cookie, and the super big gun is the SSR, which is not in here. If you could look that, wala siya dito. 56 hidden cards. Oh, may 50. This maybe this one of the 56 SSR starch noodle cookie.
I like
So
noodles.
out of 10, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think
Eight.
it's a 7 lang. It's a win. It's still a win.
Yeah.
Having 8 hits in 10 packs. So 2 lang yung naging duds, which is sa akin pa na padpad yung dalawang
This is mine
duds.
now.
Alright.
The one I got is mine now.
So anyway, we will open another 10 next week and hopefully we got more pulls. So that's it for today. For tawag dito, opening Cookie Run Bravers Operation Time Guard for now. So meron kaming binder. So yan, may binder kami.
Are you
Ito,
gonna put
Operation
it in
Time Guard
video?
is June 2025, which is, yeah, that's the third. Tapos yung Age of Heroes na meron din tayo dito. Wala kaming Brave Beginnings, which is the first. And yung pinakabago, yung color pink yata yun eh. So, eto. Bigyan na natin para makita rin nila ang ating at mailagay natin ang ating
I think it's
battery.
also like Pokemon. There's like numbers.
Oh, pero I don't think it's ano eh.
Pokemon base.
Oo. So, eto na yung amin. Meron akong ultra rare din.
I got that.
Nope.
No, in the pack battles.
Nope.
I got this in the
Anyway,
pack battles.
So, yan yung ultra rare natin. Lalagay natin na kuha natin ultra rare.
How about the numbers?
And
Look at
ito
the
bago to.
numbers.
So, wala akong paglalagyan pa yan. So, ito is super rare. Ito, lagay natin. Excuse me.
Super rares.
So, lagay natin yung super rare dito.
I got the Sherbet Shark Cookie. When in
And
the pack
this
battles.
one. Then, we put the rares here. We have this here.
I hope we don't get duplicates. In
So, ito yung mga rare natin.
yeah, I know duplicates. Why don't you put them exactly in their number?
Yan.
Do you have a number?
Wala. Hindi siya, I don't think, tanggalin
Look.
na natin to. So,
Look,
dahil
Daddy.
nalaman ko,
82
meron
and
dito.
72.
mahirap na eh, kasi halo na to eh. Dito natin ilalagay SSR natin. Siguro dito para hindi mata.
First na yan.
Yan. So,
And
our first SSR, then our 3 ultra rare, 2 ultra rare, 3 super rare, and our 6 rares. So, yung iba, wala naman masyadong
Common,
dito. Common
common.
to.
And
So, that's our binder.
should we put
Ayan.
the cards
So, again, I'm Michael. So, we just open some
box of Cookie Run.
10 packs.
Of Cookie Run.
Operation Time Guard.
Appreciate it.
Bye-bye!